Storytellers Museum started as a general store in the 1800s, becoming a recording studio in the 1960s, but was eventually abandoned. Johnny Cash, the Man in Black, wound up putting some cash into the defunct recording studio to have somewhere young musicians could play and get experience performing.
And I know you're wondering, yes, Johnny Cash and June Carter actually did perform. They actually made it a Saturday night date night venue.
It's closed today, but this is the stage that they rebuilt where they would actually perform. Let's see if I can't get a peek through this little crack here. It would help to come on a different day, but this is the only day we could come see Johnny's ranch. And I don't know if there's much to see back there, but there it is, the one piece at a time car. If you remember the song, the car didn't actually exist until after the song was created, 1976. The original was destroyed, but there's a man who just loved to tinker, and actually in 1977 reconstructed his own one piece at a time Cadillac. And for those of you who may not remember the song, it was about a disgruntled worker at Cadillac who wanted one but couldn't afford one. So he found a way to take pieces home one at a time and build his own. I drive it. This is what I've always loved, is this mirror, which is on the back door, where you really don't need a rear view mirror. And this is, what, vinyl top? Yeah, it's got a print on it, actually. And of course, the whip antenna for back in the day when they had CB radios. Had to have that. That was your long distance on the road back in the day. This is a fun little piece to find on the wall. This is what the one piece at a time Cadillac was made out of. This is the man who actually bought the building and turned it into a recording studio. Wilbur or W.C. Red Wortham. Finding some interesting stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of just, there's hidden gems among all this stuff.
Oh, look at this, rockabilly legends.
Yeah, it's not all Johnny Cash. I mean, it's a lot of different people.
Well, Johnny hung out with some really cool people.
He did.
Like this guy. Like it. Thank you very much.
Or these
and
guys
this guy?
right here.
Sally is showing us around the Storytellers Inn, and she's got a video she wants us to watch. This, oh wow, this is cool too.
Well, it's right now season is like even last year we totally closed January and February, but we're open by private tours Monday through Friday. Okay. Saturday we're open. The gates open, and general admission. You don't have to call in advance type of thing. Okay. So through the winter. This is how it looked when my husband decided he wanted to buy it.
Are you serious?
Trying to think. In the mid to late 80s, he sold it back to the gentleman. And then that gentleman, Mr. Redworth, which we have a film also, you'll see, that tells a little bit about Redworth.
Oh my goodness.
And other history related to it. So this has been a general store. It's been Mount Aqua Post Office, that side.
So it has a second door.
Yeah. Some things that were on this gun belt was in a picture on one of his album covers. There's one picture from it, and harmonica in his, and this shirt, this was part of a shirt of his. So you can see the gun belt around his neck too. So use it, and also for album covers.
Okay.
You'll see up at the barn, up at the farm too.
They're really pretty.
So yeah, Johnny in his main house in Hendersonville, which burned down, did have a lot of stained glass in it. 'Cause
I
he
remember
loved-
seeing pictures of
Yeah.
that house before it burned
He
down.
loved stained glass.
That's really pretty.
Up the
Yeah,
spiral
there's a-
staircase.
Yeah, green room. And we have a little elevator too, if you want to take that. It's the only elevator in Bon Aqua.
Okay, got to check this out.
I think I'll go up there.
This is a very tight spiral. Not,
Rails are close by.
not afraid of heights, no. I'm okay. Oh, beads of sweat. Okay, I'm good. Whew. Look, I want to make it.
Well, it,
Oh, okay, now this is a green room. If you're going to be playing on the stage downstairs, wow, this thing is huge. Look at these couches.
oh, how neat.
Look at these couches. What is that, crushed velvet? That's got to be, wow. It's kind of dim up here, but we got a kitchen and everything. This is neat. This is where everybody hangs out before the big show on stage. And from what I'm understanding, every Saturday night, there's still a party here. Oh, the deals that have been done at this desk. Probably. It's got a great view down, too.
Very nice.
At one time, this building was falling down, not long ago, as a matter of fact. It was totally rebuilt, renovated, and it's back to awesome.
This is a great book.
What'd you find?
It's John Piper about Job.
Okay, some Bibles, okay. They evidently
I love John Piper.
do a little bit of Bible before they perform. Can't complain about that. Be careful. Oh, they're tight. Okay, my turn. This seems kind of weird, but it's such a great visual coming down these. This is a tight circle. There's that magnificent Cadillac. Every piece of it. All the pieces of it. It's got an elevator. Looks like one of those kind that are added later. Still works. And out here, evidently, yeah, this is where the stage was. Yeah, that's it. See the seats? Looks like a fun place to hang out.
Okay, this is a Wurlitzer, and I remember when I was a kid, we had one of these in our basement. Neon lighting, the whole thing actually worked. We used to dance to this thing as kids.
This, by the way, is real stained glass. And look at that picture up here. That is some detail. Wow.